Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Friday, so you know what that means. It's another Foodie Friday video. And today we're going to be making Bangin chicken. It's like a healthy ranch chicken. It is so good. This is a recipe that my daughter asked for. When I told her I was going to make it, she got really excited. Normally with her, I'll add a baked potato or put it over some rice, and that's good for her. Me, I'll go ahead and eat it with some vegetables, a side salad. Now, if you're interested in healthy recipes, makeup, lifestyle, I do it all. This is the channel where you want to be at. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get cooking. Start off by putting the oven at 375 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and use a whole pack of drumsticks. I like to cook in big quantities because I love leftovers. And then next we're going to go ahead and get a pan already ready with foil. And then we're just going to go ahead and spray olive oil. Right now I'm using olive oil, but I do prefer coconut oil. I just had this remaining, so I'm going to use this up. But whichever you prefer, use what you got. You're going to need half a cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of yogurt. If you want to keep it on the healthier side, make sure you use light mayonnaise. Preferably, I like yogurt zero, but a lot of times it's hard to find. So you can use light yogurt or non-fat yogurt, whichever you can find. Don't stress about it. Just get what you can. And you're going to use a half a cup of each. And next we're going to go ahead and use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Or if you want to mash up garlic fresh, go ahead and you can do that. And you would do about 3 garlic cloves. Then you would want 1 tablespoon of dried onion, or I'm using onion powder. That would be fine, whatever you have. And then you want to also add in 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. So you're going to go ahead and combine that all in a bowl like I did here. And then the last, you would use about a teaspoon of black pepper, and then 2.5 teaspoons of the mineral salt. Now you don't have to be so precise with the ingredients. If you feel like you want more pepper or more salt, whatever it is, go ahead and feel free to adjust it to your liking. And then next we're going to get the drumstick and we're just going to coat it with our mixture. Now that it's all covered, I'm going to go ahead and let it bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so here it is. It's all done. I'm already ready to try my first one. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. And if you have any leftover of the marinade, then go ahead and use it as a side dipping sauce. Alright guys, so that's it. It is simple as that. It is so good. Let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe, how you liked it. I'm really curious. And if there's any other recipes you would want me to dabble in, let me know in the comments below as well. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first.